Hi guys, how are you? In 2012, I bought a Volkswagen Golf GTI Mark II, and I modified it in my own way. It has given me many joys, trips, and good times. Today, 9 years later, it's time to give it a new look, a little more aggressive, repair some things and improve it. For sure.
This is my 1986 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mark II. I bought it in 2012 from the Dali Museum painting restorer. Maybe Dali traveled with him. The truth was that I had a bit neglected, but I was saving money to start a transformation. The interior is a bit forgotten, the locks dirty. The stereo is not in the best moment. A lot of disorder in the cabin. The only equipment that this car has is the manual sunroof and the Recaro that I installed myself when I bought it. Of course, a good stereo could not be missing. The body has several bumps. The bumpers are very bad, and the underbody is very dirty, and the lip is off the hook. These are some American type position lights that I adapted from some FK Automotive's turn signals, together with some smoked Hella turn signals. The wheels are 15-inch cage errors that have seen better days. The engine is an 8-valve EV with K-Tronic injection, 270cc rig camshaft, adjustable pulley, and 421 super sprint headers, manifolds if you are from UK. The air filter box is improved with a tube so that more airflow enters. The filter is a K&N. The cooling hoses have also been changed for reinforced silicone ones. As you can see, the steering wheel shakes because of the wheels and transmissions. We are starting from the simple, by lifting the car to improve the image of the brake calipers, that are a shame to see. With the drill and the paint stripping accessory, we prepare the surface for painting. It is important to cover well the areas that are not going to be painted, if we want a good finish. My choice was the silver color to give a more original look. We apply one coat, let it dry for half an hour, and apply a second coat to make it perfect. This is going to be one of the most important improvements of the car, an airbag coilover suspension. These coilovers are adjustable in height. They lower the car up to 7 cm, with the springs of 60 newtons of harness, and the shock absorber is made by KW. We are also gonna assist to change all the suspension caps for some sacks. These are special nuts that go in the shock absorber cap. They need this special tool. But these things do not always fit well. Sometimes they need to be touched up. I have the honor to introduce you to my friend, the Grinder. A little sanding here, a little there, and everything fixed. We take the coilovers and assemble the caps with their nuts. We tighten it with a fixed wrench, and with an Allen key we prevent the shock absorber from rotating. To facilitate the work, we used an electric gun to loosen the shock absorbers. With a 22mm and an Allen wrench, we loosen the shock absorber cap. Damper out. The first impression we have with the two shock absorbers side by side is that the coilover type is 7 cm lower. That's why you have to be careful when adjusting the height. To assemble it, we repeat the process in reverse. We start at the back by removing the tray and the seatbelt plastics. At this point, we have to remember very well the assembly order of the silent blocks and nuts. I got confused and had to repeat the process twice. As in the front, the rear coilover is also shorter. And this is the second great improvement of the car. Some Stuttgart ST6 rims in 8x16 ET30 with Falcon tires 195/40/16. And job done. Today we have come to visit what for me is a craftsman trade, a painless dent removal. Joan is a PDR technician with more than 15 years of experience. He will extract all the blows from the car without the need to paint, keeping the original factory paint. Joan starts with a knockdown, then with the hammer, then the glue caps, and with a slight hammer he takes the blow out little by little. It is a very slow process. Each blow to the body takes half an hour to be extracted. So that it does not lose precision, the hammer has to be polished frequently. Once the blow is removed, the paint is polished. In this large tool case, Joan has all the tools and special levers to take out all kinds of blows. Now, Joan is going to extract a couple of hits from the C-pillar and the rear panel with a great precision. Observe now how little by little the point is disappearing. It's magic. Finishing touches, polish it, and job done. This is the evidence that the car have monocoat paint. Alexander is the other technician. He's gonna fix the hood, the bonnet if you are from USA. Now is the time to remove the dirt from the locks and hinges with a good degreaser. It should have been done before. This does not cost anything to do it, and the truth is that I'm ashamed not to have done it before. Today we have come to one of those vintage style workshops, one of which I like that they still exist, a car cleaning business. Many people say that it's not good for the engine components. Others say that nothing happens. But I think that having a clean engine is the best, although a dirty engine is a sincere engine. With this strange elevator, they leave the car to clean the underbody. Once the degreaser has been applied, the gearbox is cleaned with a pressurized water. When cleaning the upper part of the engine, many areas must be rubbed by hand to avoid damaging any component. I have never seen my engine so clean. The truth is that it's worth doing. From now on, we can more easily detect if there are oil leaks. Some wheel arches are unglued, so some Sikaflex, pressure pliers, and overnight to dry. It's a job that costs little and it's very satisfying. The wait was worth it. The new bumpers have finally arrived from Germany. These brand new bumpers have the red line of the GTI. The truth is that the old bumpers were in very bad condition. To extract them is very simple, only 4 screws and out. Once the bumper is off, we can see all the dirt that was never cleaned for being inaccessible. First, with a cleaning product and a cloth, we remove all the dirt. It does not come out. We are going to test with solvent. Much better. When unpacking the new bumper, we can see that the bracket is not mounted. And the first surprise is that where the bracket is screwed is broken. To fix it, I'm going to stick it with a strong and flexible glue. I did not feel like climbing the company and returning the bumpers, so I decided to fix it. Once the setback is solved, we place the bumper and fit it to the side guides, then tighten the 4 screws. I couldn't forget the front spoiler, so a coat of a special paint for plastics will rejuvenate it. The first step before removing the front bumper is to remove the turn signals. Loosen the 4 screws of the chassis and out. With solvent and a cloth, we repeat the process that we have done in the back part. Carefully place the bumper aligned with the side guides, while we pass the lamp holders of the turn signals. It is very important not to tighten the turn signal screws too much, as the tulip may be break. We check that the lights work and we install the front spoiler, and to finish, we put the new Alfa Romeo size license plate. Are you ready to see the final result?